typical cracks appear very similar. Here's the upper crack here. Again, it's not as thick, but it is thicker at the top than it is at the bottom. It starts about, visually I can start to see it about in there. The main crack looks like it maybe starts to appear about there, and comes along, it gets wider clearly as you get back, dies underneath that. Horizontal, similar, kind of comes back down a little. The thing I see a little different here is that there's some cracking in the stadia itself. Got a couple, you can see that one, which is at the kind of the crest of the main crack. And then there's also some down here, a little bit of spider cracking. I don't know if you can see that or not, but a little bit in there. I don't know if you can, spider is the right word. It kind of does look like spider cracking, actually. And then a little tiny hairline crack is coming off of there. And again, you got a little hairline crack coming off of here. Up about that far before I can't see it anymore. No indication of cold joint here. That's not part of the deal. There's another,